Hi, my name's Angela, I'm from Melbourne. I've been in the LIFT program for about 7 years. Before that I had my own business and I also worked for a boss. I was trying to juggle both. I was terribly unhappy and I discovered this. Before being part of the LIFT program, I had tried trading once before. I was pretty much gambling. I really didn't know what I was doing and lost all my money. I tried robots. Yeah, it was just a joke. What I was looking for in an education and coaching program with Forex trading was being able to have someone that could actually give me a program in chunk-sized pieces so I could learn easily and not be overwhelmed, and know that I had the support. With this I have lots of coaching. Whenever I ask for it, it's available. LIFT gave me the confidence to become a trader by all the encouragement, coaching, education, and the way they made it really easy for me to understand without using all the technical jargon. That really helped me. Through my journey of learning how to be a LIFT investor, I've had my challenges, but each of those challenges were overcome by my coach, by helping me get through those, whether it be mindset or technical. I'm no longer working for anyone. I've purchased my dream home, but at the same time I've been able to help friends invest in property and work in the building industry, and I wouldn't have had that opportunity otherwise. With the education and support that I've been provided through the LIFT investment program, it's like nothing else I'd investigated. Prior to doing it, I did look at a number of other programs, but no one was offering the same support and education that I've received here. I've referred a couple of people to the trading program. All of them are now doing quite well, some a little bit better than others. The ones that have actually really stuck with it and taken on the advice and the coaching are now on the way to financial freedom. I'd say to anyone that's actually wanting to do the program and wants to be financially free, don't treat it as a hobby, treat it as an actual business, and you'll be halfway there. From there, all you have to do is get coaching and follow the program, and yeah, you'll get to do what I've done.